SupFen order arrived. 2 boxes. I'm going to start opening these things right away. So that is packed in there. Legs, forearms and elbows. Suspenders, set of large gauntlets. Another set of gloves, medium back of the head protector. More forearms, I think. XL rapier gloves. That also looks like a skirt. This looks like part of one of the bags. Same piece. That's the larger part of the bag. Another bag. Those look like my new pants. Looks like the poopy pants for the club. Another set. Green and gray. That looks like my jacket. Ooh. Is that the club mercenary one, I think? Jacket. Another pad. I want to destroy Mraz Gorze. Treasures. Okay, let's open club gear next. So if you're not into wearing a skirt while fighting, maybe these guys you'd prefer. Extra XLs. Those are nice. Also got medium poofy pants for the club. So if the other ones are too big, these should fit. Oh, those are nice. Maybe they're large. Blue and yellow. Pretty nice. A very nice mercenary jacket. Blue and gold. So that's going to be pretty awesome. Nice venting in the back. Oh, it's soft. Padding there. Looks good. Not like super heavy jackets either. Okay, my stuff next. Nice roomy little sword bag. Vi was just chatting with me and noted that my car is too small for all this stuff. And that's really cool. I did not know that name was going to be on there. That's sweet. It's a decent amount of space in there. Both of those. Nice little wheels on the bottom. Excitement point. Those are going to look nice. Nice. Got them to make all the stars gold. Got the 350N, so it's not so hot. And oh yeah, that's nice. Fires and such, but it actually, I don't think it will. Not too much. I also might move the arm guards inside. It's got that new car smell, new jacket smell. I've never had a jacket that actually fits. Like, wow.